What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's been doing okay. And today we're doing lights, truck lights. A while back I bought the Cali raised, it's not from, I don't think Cali Raised makes it, but they sell it through their website. It's the 8 gang like button system to wire up all your things. It comes with the fuses and all. It makes wiring super simple. However, my beef with Cali Raised right now is that it took about 4 weeks to get here. This was before all of the quarantine. This was before all of the problems that we were having now. No real reason for why it wasn't sent on time. Emailed them a few times, and basically the response was, oh yeah, it's on its way. And I'm literally looking at the they open up, like, you know how when you open up a label but you still haven't shipped it, like they're still waiting for it to be like processed. Like you bought the label but you haven't done anything about it. That's pretty much where I was doing. It was just sitting there in their warehouse probably for weeks while they're saying that it got sent out. And yeah, eventually it did get here, and I got it, hooray. But yeah, there was like really no accountability as far as that. And then one of the buttons doesn't work. One of the fucking buttons doesn't work, and or at least I think it doesn't work. I haven't really messed with it too much. I'll show you guys in a bit. And yeah, it was broken, and I'm like it took so long to get here. Now I have to send it back, and it's really the only company that sells the blue one too, the blue buttons. On Amazon they have one with like green buttons. I don't want the green buttons. And then there's the other one, the super expensive one, like a $600 one. I'll have to post it. That one is pretty cool, but yeah, $600. This one's only like 2 something, one if that. Yeah, I pretty much have some lights set up, and I'll show you guys how it's done. It makes it super easy. If it worked fine, I would have like give the fucking thing 5 stars. Like it's a pretty badass product, but yeah, one button doesn't work. So we're inside the truck, and this is where I mounted it. In here there's like the ashtray kind of thing, so I just pulled it off and took the ashtray piece out, and it just bolts. It has like 2 screws on the inside part, and just put it in there. It comes, you know, obviously this thing comes with a bunch of stickers so you can set up what you need. And I'll show you guys here how one of them does not work. This guy's red already. If I wire something to it, it does not activate. So here, when you actually, the way it's supposed to work is you hit it and it lights up, right? And then you can hit multiple ones at the same time, and then you can turn them all off at once, and then once you turn it back on, then it remembers to turn all of them on. Or you can individually do them. Yep, but this guy, no bueno. So yeah, basically what I have right now is the light bar, the front ditch light. Cargo is basically the bed. I have lights in the back, and then rock lights. I put some rock lights in. I'll show you guys how I put those in. And then this one's not set up for anything. It's basically rear ditch lights that I haven't put in. I'm trying to figure out exactly where to mount them. And in here, basically through the firewall, you take the main cable, right, for the console. It's like super tight in here, guys, sorry. And then there's also this red cable, and I'll show you guys on the other side too what they look like. And there's a red cable. There's basically the power, and that red cable has like a piggyback, fuse piggyback here, and I put it onto the accessory one for now. I might move it to a different one, maybe to one of the ones that are running all the time, and maybe put a switch on it so that way I can run the lights with the truck fully turned off. So like right now I can't do anything, right? But I was thinking if I put it onto one of the continuously running ones, I put another switch somewhere, I flick the switch on, and then I can run the lights with the truck completely off. But right now it's currently to the accessory, which is this thing basically. It's on the same fuse as this thing. So it works for now, but we'll change it hopefully. That's basically how you do it. You basically take that little piggyback and you piggyback onto one of those fuses so that you can get power. The Cali raised piggyback actually comes with the wrong fuse size, like the wrong piggyback size. So I had to go and get one from AutoZone. It's actually the mini, the ATC, I want to say. It's the smallest fuse they have. You know, there's like a mini, and then there's like a little smaller one, and there's like a big guy. It comes with the big guys for some reason. None of the fuses on the truck are that size, so. All right, and then inside here, I pretty much mounted it to the fuse box. And yeah, you can see it comes with the it comes with their own fuses. I've swapped out the fuses and put the actual fuse I need to have. And it makes it like nice and clean, you know. You got all these things set up simply. Obviously this powers straight to the battery, and then negative, I went here with the ground, and then the see if you can see here, some a little more exposure. Yeah, so the console cable and the power one go through the firewall here. It's not easy. I used a coat hanger as my guide, so I basically like taped the shit out of these to a coat hanger and then jammed it through there. And yeah, that's pretty much my wiring, and it goes everywhere. And I'll show you what I have here. Things that are being powered. LED bar. I will have to put the name on for you guys. Not sure what the name is. Got it from Amazon. These ditch lights, pod lights, are actually the ones that come with the hook rack, and it's like a simple. They're not as bright as you know, you would get from a legitimate company, Baja Designs or something, but I think they're bright enough for being free, 100% free, because they came with the rack. Inside of both wheel wells, I have rock lights. Boom. These ones are from Amazon too. I'll put a link for them. They're on all sides. I'll show you. Put them right there. And then in the back, I have this guy. Which is more like I don't know, like a trailer light. Like, it's super bright. And basically my idea was that it'll brighten up here. So I'll be cooking, right? I can be cooking and doing whatever here. And that way that is super bright and it lights all this up here. That's the idea. However, I think the angle is too far out. So I might end up pushing the rack all the way in. That way I have the light back further. But it's super bright, like it's super nice. And then, oh yeah, I have lights in here. You can see here, these like cheap little LED strips. Yeah, and there's always like, there's links for all this down below. So I put 4. I bought a bunch. I think it comes with 8, but I put 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then all the wiring, yeah, goes to the inside of here. Throw the wiring through there. It all comes in here. It's all in here. Yeah. And then it takes a little plunge in below, and it follows the frame. It'll follow the frame all the way in. Follows the frame, and then it just follows everything else on the inside of here, and it goes all the way in. Super easy with that 8 gang system. Makes it super easy. So yeah guys, that's the lighting setup. Still have the other ditch lights to put in. I'm not sure where they're gonna go. Somewhere on the rack somewhere. Just don't know. I don't know if you guys know which way to face them, which is the best way, to go straight to the sides or to face them straight back, or maybe angle them front, like a side back view. I don't know. You guys, I don't know if you guys have any tips on that. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions on some of the stuff. I'll put links to all the lights. Everything is Amazon except for the 8 gang switch. That's from Cali Raised. Yeah, like the ditch lights, like I said, they're from the Hook. But I believe they're the same. They're the same light as this one. Don't know the name. Yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Hopefully we can actually use these things in real world pretty soon. See you guys.